For the first time, Real Madrid have overtaken Manchester United at the top. Barcelona slipping to fourth. Bayern Munich have taken third position. Now, winning the Champions League 3 times in a row has allowed Real Madrid to grow their commercial revenue and almost double the rate of Manchester United. Well, let's get more on this with Andrea Satori. He is the global head of sport at KPMG, and he joins us now from Madrid. So, Andrea, great to have you on the program. First of all, what explains the movement at the top of your KPMG ranking?
Well, certainly the fact that Real Madrid has won the last 3 Champions League has helped them significantly in terms of UEFA revenue generation and in terms of commercial revenue growth. That has been significantly higher than the one of Manchester United, and that has actually helped the club to grow. Although I would like also to point out an interesting point that yes, Real Madrid have reached the top this year. However, their value is still slightly below the one of Manchester United in last year's edition of our report.
Yeah, and Andrea, of course, I have to correct myself because Real Madrid, Manchester United, and Bayern Munich are top 3, so there was a little bit of confusion there at the top. But talk to me a little bit about why the club enterprise values have risen, but the stock market valuations have dropped.
Well, what is interesting to see is that the overall football economy is growing significantly faster than the general European economy. So if we take the last 3 years, the football economy has grown by 35% when you look at the top 32 clubs that we analyze annually in our survey, while the stock market, looking at the stock 50, where we basically analyze the 50 top European companies, it has actually decreased by 9%. So actually all of this is showing how, in a way, investment in football asset can be good and can be, in a way, profitable and can provide nowadays an interesting opportunity to the capital markets.
Mr. Sartori, what is the best practice of the Premier League teams?
Well, I think all of the Premier League teams are somehow financially, or most of the Premier League clubs, at least the one that are sitting on the left side of the table, they are all quite sustainable football clubs. And this is actually demonstrated by the fact that 6 out of the top 9 clubs in this year's ranking are actually English clubs. I think that the 2 that is definitely worthwhile mentioning for this year's edition are Liverpool and Tottenham, so the finalists of next Saturday, final of the Champions League, that have actually seen a very significant growth this year. Actually, Tottenham is the 2nd fastest growing, and Liverpool is the 3rd, while I would say that the first one, and should be underlined, is actually Inter Milan, which has grown by 41% and is the club that has grown the most. But it's also interesting to say that Tottenham, over the last 3 years, is the club that has actually grown the most in our survey after Olympique Lyon. So the growth of Tottenham in 3 years has been 110%.